Do you know what to do if you or your child experiences an adverse event after a vaccine or a vaccine injury, other than going to the hospital or back to your doctor? You need to know about VAERS. If you don't know about it yet, a lot of people learned about VAERS during COVID, but a lot of people still don't know about it. And basically, VAERS is a governmental database of vaccine injuries and deaths and adverse events. It stands for Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System. Everybody has access to it, including you. Doctors and nurses and clinicians are supposed to report every serious adverse reaction. It's been around since about 1990, but unfortunately, many clinicians, like I said, have never heard of it, and most reports never get filed. I think it's only about 1 to 10% of reports get filed. One reason is because it takes a really long time. It might take up to an hour, maybe 40 minutes, and the doctor isn't paid for that time. And if they have a clinic or emergency room full of patients, they might not get to ever file it. They might not even recognize it as a vaccine injury or believe that it's a vaccine injury. So sometimes it kind of falls on you to go in and file that adverse event yourself. It's open to the public. You can also search through it. I think you can find it on CDC Wonder and search for the vaccine injury reporting, and you can search by vaccine, by side effect, by year, by month. It's actually very good, and you can search very well through it. It's supposed to serve as a early warning system about vaccine injuries, about the safety of vaccines. For example, if a vaccine is rolled out and then a lot of people start getting certain symptoms after the vaccine, the VAERS is supposed to show that to us. But what we saw happen during COVID is that there was thousands and thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, reports filed in VAERS, and the officials still brushed it off as anecdotal rather than treating it as an early warning system. So I would say, here's the takeaway for everybody. I would highly recommend you go browse that site. You learn about how to file. You search through the database based on what you're interested in and educate yourself on it so that you know how these things work in case you ever need it.